And we're getting a clearer understanding of a bill that many Oklahoma activists thought was a way to prevent protesters from being heard. The State Court of Criminal Appeals is now weighing in on the anti-riot law born out of protests over racial injustice following the death of George Floyd in 2020. News 4's Adria Goins is in our newsroom with the new information for us. Adria?
Heather, activists had issue with two parts of that law. They felt they were vague and violated our First Amendment rights and were a way to scare Oklahomans from peacefully protesting.
I thought it was absolutely egregious.
When Adriana Law first heard about House Bill 1674, she was shocked, instantly afraid it would scare Oklahomans from sharing their voice.
I believe that every American, every Oklahoman has the constitutional right to protest in the streets.
Jess Eddy has organized dozens of protests across Oklahoma City and had the same reaction to a bill he called a scare tactic.
I think that we can all understand in America that freedom of speech needs to be protected.
Two parts of the law causing the most concern, prompting the NAACP and other organizations to challenge the legislation, sending it all the way to Oklahoma's Court of Criminal Appeals. The first part would hold organizations of a protest criminally responsible if someone started a riot.
That's not a problem for the NAACP because they don't conspire to commit riot.
The second, people wouldn't be allowed to protest in the streets or approach vehicles.
The way it was written, it wasn't at all clear.
Under the decision by Oklahoma's highest criminal court, the bill would only refer to those situations if it was deemed a riot, meaning peaceful protests in Oklahoma can continue.
The Oklahoma Court of Criminal Appeals has now interpreted the statute narrowly in a way that no longer causes the concerns that the NAACP and other organizations had about chilling free speech.
Well, this case is one of those rare times with both sides actually getting what they want here, because Attorney General John O'Connor petitioned the courts to narrow down this law to make it more specific. His office sent us this statement saying Oklahomans remember when a protest in Tulsa spilled onto the interstate, exposing families traveling the roadways to danger and rioters to injure. The legislature crafted this law to protect both free speech and public safety.